Hey there, privacy champions! Today, I'm going to show you how to register your Ecovacs device with a temporary Chinese number in just a few easy steps. So, if you're tired of using your personal number and want a hassle-free way to get through that SMS verification, stick around. Ecovacs is famous for their smart robotic vacuums like the D-Bot series. To unlock their full potential, you need to register on the Ecovacs app. But here's the catch for users in China, or those targeting the Chinese market: you need a Chinese phone number for registration. This is where MobileSMS.io comes to the rescue. They offer temporary Chinese numbers that make the whole process smooth and secure. Let's dive right into the steps to get your Ecovacs registered using MobileSMS.io. First, head over to MobileSMS.io and sign up. It's super simple, just an email and password and you're in. Once you're logged in, select China from the country list and pick a temporary number. These numbers are real SIM-based, so you won't face any issues with the verification. Now grab your phone and open the Ecovacs app. Start the registration process, and when prompted, enter the temporary Chinese number you got from MobileSMS.io. Remember to select the +86 country code. Then, hop back to the MobileSMS.io dashboard and wait for the SMS with your verification code. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once you have the code, copy it and paste it into the Ecovacs app. Finish up by adding your email and password, and you're all set. With your registration complete, you can now control your vacuum remotely, set cleaning schedules, and explore advanced features without exposing your personal number. Let's quickly address some common questions. If the SMS doesn't arrive, double-check the number and country code. Still doesn't work? Refresh the dashboard or contact MobileSMS.io support. Can you use the same number for multiple registrations? Usually these numbers are single-use. Need more numbers? Just request additional ones from MobileSMS.io. Is using a temporary number legal? Absolutely. It's a legitimate way to protect your privacy while complying with verification requirements. And how long does the number last? Each number is active for about 10 minutes, plenty of time to complete your registration. Why choose MobileSMS.io? Their SIM-based numbers guarantee successful verification, unlike unreliable VoIP numbers. Plus, it's cost-effective and keeps your data safe. The user-friendly dashboard and quick SMS delivery make the whole process a breeze. So, if you're looking to register your Ecovacs with a temporary Chinese number, MobileSMS.io is your best bet. Say goodbye to regional restrictions and hello to a seamless Ecovacs experience. Give it a try today and enjoy effortless registration without the hassle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on protecting your privacy. See you next time.